Hello, you're watching News Creators, your trusted source for the sharpest stories in AI and technology. Tonight, we're talking about a genuine leap in memory tech, straight out of China. Researchers at Fudan University have just unveiled PoX, the world's fastest flash memory. How fast? Try 10,000 times quicker than anything in your phone or laptop today. This new memory can write data in just 400 picoseconds. That's 0.00000000004 seconds. Blink and it's done. But here's what's truly remarkable. PoX is non-volatile, so it keeps your data even when the power's off, like an SSD, yet it's even faster than RAM, more energy efficient, and it's built using graphene, one of the most advanced materials on the planet. So why does this matter? Because PoX could replace both RAM and storage in everything from smartphones to AI hardware. Imagine devices that boot instantly, never overheat, and run for hours longer. For AI, it means real-time data crunching, no more bottlenecks, just pure speed and efficiency. If you found this as fascinating as we did, please share this video. The more people know about breakthroughs like the Lynx M20, the faster we can put safer, smarter robots to work in the real world. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more extraordinary AI news right here on News Creators.